Matul dan is-sajf minn Ġunju sa nofs Settembru erqu u mietu 11 persuna, 11 oħra ħelsuha wara li ffaċċjaw diffikultajiet mal-baħar. Intant 4 persuni oħra kienu wiċċhom mal-mewt. Missieru 3 tfal fosthom żewġ uliedu kienu qed jgħumu f'baħar kalm fl-ewwel ħadd ta' Settembru f'Marsal Forn, meta f'daqqa waħda qabad jobrom u l-mowġ beda isabbathom mal-blat.
I saw my son, who I was holding in front of me, the 5-year-old, and the 2 boys were behind me, got pulled from my hands by the strength of the waves, and because I was wearing the goggles I actually saw him tumbling in the undertow, so I knew exactly where he was. I was able to dive down under, grab him and come up and surface and throw him back into the lagoon and tell the other boys to go back. And what happened then was that the next wave that came along basically smashed into the lagoon and lifted us over into the channel between the lagoon and the mainland. I felt my knees getting bashed and shredded.
Fil-waqt li Martin McDonald miż-żewġ Awċija u ilu jgħix Malta żmien twil jisħaq li huwa bniedem tal-baħar, tant li tellaq fit-tellieqa tal-Middle Sea Race għal 3 darbiet, huwa jgħid li l-baħar ma tistax tieħdu biċ-ċajt. Jgħid li wara dan il-każ li ġabu iżjed konxju fuq kemm wieħed irid ikun b'7 fil-baħar, ħoloq għaqda bil-kampanja Rip My Wave. Spjega kif lan huwa li tinstab soluzzjoni xjentifika għalfejn qed jinħolqu ċertu mowġ anki f'baħar kalm li kapaċi jieħu l-ħajja ta' persuna f'tebqatajn.
If we could find a way of predicting specific time periods and actually have empirical scientific evidence and actually prove that this is actually the case and this is why it's happening, whether it's seismic, whether it's wind action, whether it's shipping, a couple of people have mentioned the catamaran coming in and out of Valletta as a possible source of these waves, but the regularity seems to not fit with the schedules of the catamaran that I've checked at least.
Rip My Wave tnediet ftit tal-jiem ilu iżda r-rispons kien enormi, jgħid Martin li jisħaq kif bosta nies ġew fuqu u qasmu l-esperjenzi qarsa tagħhom mal-baħar. U għażiet jgħid li huwa importanti li nitkellmu fuq dawn l-istejjer biex iżdied l-għarfien li l-baħar ingawduh iżda ma niċċajtawx miegħu.
I think these survivor experiences, if you like, these people who've actually been through an experience, telling people about it will help people to understand it more. And then maybe help us to do something constructive and scientific to actually make it safer, not just for local Maltese and Gosden people, but for visitors and tourists as well.
Idħol fuq one.com.mt u hemmhekk tista' tara l-programmi kollha li jxandru fuq One permezz ta' One Play.